This is problem 8.427, where you have a table given that lists the weights of male college students in kilograms, and we are testing the claim that male college students have a mean weight that is less than 83 kilograms. There is a 0.01 significance level, and you have to find the null and alternative hypotheses, the test statistic, the p-value, and then the conclusion. Now the claim here is that the weight is less than 83 kilograms, so which means that the null hypothesis is equal to 83 kilograms, and the alternative hypothesis is the claim that says it's less than 83 kilograms. Then you have to enter all these weights, and there are 32 of them, into your calculator. Now I already did that, but I want to show you again how to do that. We have to use the same steps as we did in chapter 3. You go to Stat, number 1, Edit, and you can see that all these 32 values are in my list 1. So what you have to do is you have to enter all 32 values into list 1. Now we're finding the test statistics, so you go back to Stat, move your cursor to the right until you see Tests, and since we have a sample of 32 weights, this would be a number 2, a t-test. So this is a sample with 32 weights, and with a sample standard deviation, so we're using number 2, the t-test. Okay, so where it says input, you have to make sure that data is highlighted. You have either the choice between stats or data, and since we entered data in our list 1, we're using this data. Press enter. For the mean, you enter 83, it's already in there. Then you do not touch list. Our list is in L1, so we're scrolling down with the cursor, and the frequency stays 1. Now where it says mu, you have to give it the sign of the alternative hypotheses. In this case, that is not less than. So we're using the less than. Press enter. The color blue is fine. We're calculating, and you press enter again, and then you see, first of all, your claim that mu is less than 83 kilograms. T is the test statistic, and this is in this case negative 5.677 if you round it to 3 decimal places. The p-value here we see is 1.54, but it says E-6. That is scientific notation. So this really means that the p-value is 0.0000 if you have to round it to 4 decimal places. The conclusion would be, since the p-value is 0, which is less than the level of significance, which was 0.01, you reject H null, and there is sufficient evidence to conclude that male students have a mean weight that is less than 83 kilograms. So again, if you have a list of values, you have to enter them into your calculator first, and then go and use your hypothesis testing methods.